Today we take our very own Jaguar S-Type, known as the Drift-Type, that we've already prepared as a drift car, and one of the top lads from the workshop, Tomek, takes his very own Mazda MX5 to have a day out midweek to go drifting. They look fairly stock on the outside, but underneath and under the bonnet, they are definitely not stock.
Right, we've come to learn to drift at Stafford, and it's a very quiet day, so we should get some good track time. But it's also a very hot day, which means it needs constant wetting, and we may be eating some tyres. Okay, first problem. I lost the hydro. It looks like the pin is just, the pins fell out, so I've got to find a substitute because I can't see it down there. Wherever it is, a bolt or something would suffice for the moment. I mean, you don't need the hydro to drift, but it helps. It's quite hot, can you tell? Whew. Well, the tyres are getting used up quickly in this weather, and this one just went boom! Big boom. Lots of smoke. Didn't even realise. No, it's not mine. Just walk around here. Oh, look! You've got a friend in me. Nice. No, it wasn't me, I didn't run over one of the tyres at the side of the track or anything. I ran over about 10. Spin me right round, baby, right round. I didn't spin once. I spun way more than once. The washing machines, they call us, or the tumble dryers. We're in the MX5 with Tomek. Hey, there we go. Yeah! Tyres flapping. See, Tomek is watching the bodywork, I imagine, but if it was my car, you'd just go boom! Okay. You're removing the flappy bits. Good couple of laps. He's doing better than me. That's annoying, isn't it?
Taking my car with it.
Taking your car with it?
Yeah, the rust is falling off.
No, it ain't.
These are done.
Yeah, tyres are done. No, they said they might have some 16s, didn't they?
Yeah. Might need some. I'm gonna have some more fun.
We'll go see if we got some 16s. I need some new 17s that I bought with me. Back to the pits. Oh, it's flapping. It's like a helicopter. Let's see what we got or not got or what. Oh, nice. It's getting that brushed effect. It's trying to turn itself into a DeLorean. What do you reckon?
Oh yeah. Luckily it's my bad arch as well.
Yeah, it's basically wire brushed itself, isn't it? Look.
Yeah, it's ready
spotless
for paint
now. Yeah, ready for paint. Jobs are good.
Yeah, look, don't need to grind anymore.
Yeah, basically patent pending. All right, it's his invention. Can you tell where it blew out? Hello, I think it might have been right here. Just looking for some new tyres. Well, used tyres out of the pile. I come across this. My old girl. My first ever drift car. I built this like in COVID, that's it, which is what, 6 years ago I built that. And it's just so happened to be sat here. What? The wrap is, this is the first thing I ever wrapped, by the way, with like your eBay stuff. Disclaimer on the top of a car that was silver and painted matte black, like at home. Disclaimer. No way. It still exists. How about that? I put a downturn on it, look. Tessa, that was its name, and then I put it Super Tessa when I supercharged it. I haven't seen it in years. Yeah, it was, yeah, the Academy car, and then I bought it in 2020, and I sold it to some random dude. I didn't sell it back to this place, so...
Oh no, yeah, it's, he keeps it here.
Oh, right.
Yeah, no, it's not an Academy car anymore.
No, no.
That life's gone.
Yeah. Still got the hydro. Yeah, it's still got the hydro. And the quick shift, I reckon. It's got to be supercharged because it's still got the intercooler on it. They're not going to be connected to nothing, are they? Look how bad the wrap's going. Not a good advert. This is not what we offer, by the way. Yeah, years in the sun of abuse. This is literally like whatever we found on eBay. First ever wrap job at home outside on the driveway in many, many pieces. You can still see the old Learn to Drift graphic marks that were over top of the matte black paint, right? The old sun strip. It's antique. You can't buy that. That's, what do they call it? Patina, isn't it? Wicked. Right, Tomek's first go on this track and it's bone dry, 30-degree heat, so don't judge. I'm going to judge, you did that quite nice. Yes, Tomek. Woo! Sounds cool. Is it quite grippy? Yeah. Look good? Sounds good. There's like full chat in it.
If I can go to the rev limit.
Yeah.
You hit fuel cut, don't you, in yours?
Yeah. But is this got a nice sort of bop 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 type thing?
Bounce it off.
Yeah, unlike mine that goes
Second, but first was the key here.
Oh really? It is very tight, isn't it? So
Yeah.
first gear, interesting. I want to give it the other go, but I mean honestly, the flipping something's loose on the steering and it was all over the place. So I think I should probably fix that first before trying to do this. You brake and it steers left violently. Problem. Keep going, mate. Yeah, that might have been why my steering was a bit wrong. Oh well, simple fix as long as we got the right size spanners.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Send it.
Got it. And this is me shaking with adrenaline. Love it! Whew. Yeah. It's almost dry now, isn't it?
And here was like proper, like grippy, whereas normally this is very slippy here.
Yeah. overcook it, you know what I mean? That was my attempted 360. That was 180 and a bit. Well done. Oh man. I'll try somewhere else. I'll try halfway up there. Burning rubber.
Yeah, I was gonna say, a bit dusty in here now.
I mean, it had the speed, but luckily there's no one here today, so we can try stuff. It's not going particularly well, but we're trying stuff. That's pretty much sending it as hard as you can send it.
Well, the tyre came out, so it's good.
Have we popped a tyre? It was flapping, I don't know if it's popped.
I think it was the tyre that got right, came out now, I think.
So I didn't hear it bang. Something's going on. Something's flapping off on the bumper. That would be it. So the tyres fell out with the rest of the car, like this and this.
That was a nice pop.
Yeah. Did it pick up a tyre and fucking drag it round?
You looked as soon as you hit the tyre, you went.
Yeah, I wonder if it hooked the tyre and just dragged it, rather than spat it out, maybe it dragged it around the wheel arch and took that out.
Oh well.
I mean, it's the cost of having fun, I suppose, isn't it?
A bit of duct tape, she's good to go. That's it, done.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot. You get some smoke?
A little bit, yeah.
Up there was smoky, but yeah. Whew. So, obviously we popped another tyre, having so much fun. But there's more. There's more. I may stop running. Well, actually, I may stop running over tyres. They've moved them. Brilliant. So I've got all the space now. But before, the little tyres I lay around the track, I thought, I'm getting close to the tyres, I'm not going to stop drifting, I'll just run over them and it can spit them out. But that may have been a bad idea, because obviously that's ripped the sill cover off, ripped the corner of the bumper off the inner wheel arch. It turns out we've still got a rubber passenger attached to the car. That is hopefully going to make its way out of there, because I've got it fully jacked up at the back and that ain't coming out. Oops. But it gets worse. Oh no. back here I noticed, ooh, snagged the brake pipes, and now they're hanging down. Hopefully it hasn't ripped any out. But yeah, either I need to fit some nice sort of undershielding under there, you know, like it's some sort of an off-roader, or perhaps I should think twice about just, if there's a tyre at the edge of the track coming towards me, I'll just maybe, you know, not run over it rather than carry on. You do it, I'll make the F1 noises. Hello, friend. Oh, that's hot. Ah, come on. Woo. I think that's been on the exhaust. And baking in the sun all day. Alright, let's go. Right, to finish the day, I've been quite fortunate because something's happened to the car, and luckily it happened just manoeuvring it around the car park and not while I was drifting. Let's see if you can spot the problem. Can you spot the problem? Spotted it yet? Spotted it yet? How about now? Yeah. Luckily it happened right here, just as I was exiting the track to go put it on the trailer and not actually on the track. Oh dear, that is a steering track rod end. Yeah. Ruh-roh. Let's get it back to the workshop. Alright, so to get the car back on the trailer with broken steering, we just forklifted it on. And then I thought what we'll do is we'll put the trailer in the workshop and then lift the car off the trailer using the vehicle lift. But I can't get the arms under, it's too fat. So this is what's happening. Yeah. So plan is, as long as we can get under there, we can fit a new track rod end, and then afterwards we'll just drive it off again. Yeah, there we are. We're going to fix it. What a weird way to end the vid. Thanks for watching, Wraptor. Tune in next time. Bye.